Parliamentarians for Al-Quds, Hamid bin Abdullah Al-Ahmad, Excellencies, distinguished delegates, respected parliamentarians, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a privilege for me to speak before this august constellation of luminaries from around the world. Let me at the outset extend my heartfelt commendation to the organizer, especially Professor Mustafa Shentob, for arranging this conference of the League of Parliamentarians for Al-Quds Al-Sharif that remains a flashpoint for interactable conflict, human rights violation, and suffering for the people of Palestine. I hope that the efforts of this August Forum help in putting an end to the suffering of the Palestinians and facilitate. Ladies and gentlemen, needless to underscore that the issue of Palestine has not only put serious question mark at the ability and willingness of the UN to live up to its mandate and commitment of bringing about a peaceful and amicable solution to the dispute among nations. For decades, Palestine has remained a gruesome theater of genocide, apartheid, denial of basic human rights, and brute use of state oppression by the Israel and blatant breach of international law. This bestiality cannot and should not be allowed to continue. With or without the tacit or express support of regional and international powers, the world community must rise to the occasion and do whatever lawful it can to help in the peaceful resolution of the Palestinian issue, not only to have peace in their homeland, but also to promote peace and security in the regional and the world at large. Availing this opportunity, I would propose that this August Forum call upon the UN Secretary General of the OIC, the Secretary General of the EU, the Secretary General of the International Human Rights Commission, the President of the International Court of Justice, the Executive Director of the Human Rights Watch, and all the human rights organizations and global civil society to stand up against the inhuman crimes of Israel against the people of the Palestine, and to take immediate steps to help in stopping the ongoing barbarian atrocities of Israel against Palestinians, and to facilitate a durable and a peaceful settlement of the issue of the Palestine. This August Forum may also like to impress upon the UN to stop Israel from its relentless crime against humanity, its systematic ethnic cleansing, and its deceitful violation of the fundamental human rights of the Palestinian and blatant disregard of the UN resolution on the question of Palestine, including resolution number 242 of 1967, resolution number 252 of 1968, resolution number 338 of 1973, resolution number 467 and 478 of 1980, and resolution number 1073 of 1996, and resolution number 2334 of 2016, and the Conference of the High Contracting Parties to the Fourth Geneva Convention 1949 and its additional protocols, and on applicability of the provisions of the convention to the land of the state of Palestine and protection civilians in times of war. Deal of the Century is a deceitful document that is in essence the surrender of the Palestinian cause. Muslim Ummah should outrightly avoid and reject fraud terminologies like as the Abraham Accord. Every Muslim country should depute a special envoy to advocate for the Palestinian rights on all international forums. Muslim nations need to display unity on Palestinian issue by framing their foreign policy centered on supporting the Palestinian cause. All the Muslim countries, all the Islamic countries should join hands to highlight Palestinian concern on the global forums and devise a joint roadmap to free Al-Quds from the shackles of the Zionist oppressive regime. The oppressed Palestinians are calling from the Holy Land of Al-Quds and the Muslim countries with better resources. I will say with better resources and greater military might than Israel to come and free from these atrocities. I hope and pray that together we can and shall make a huge impact in realizing the dream of free, sovereign, and peaceful Palestinian state with Al-Quds as its capital. Palestine Zindabad, Al-Quds Al-Sharif Paindabad,